Passive income in 2026 isn't just a smart financial move, it's becoming essential. With rising living costs and economic uncertainty, relying on a single source of income is riskier than ever. The truth is, the wealthiest individuals don't just work for money, they build systems that generate income consistently, month after month. In this video, we're diving into 6 powerful assets that can pay you monthly and help you create a steady stream of passive income. These aren't shortcuts or hype-driven trends. These are proven strategies used by smart investors to build long-term financial stability. Let's begin with one of the most reliable income-generating assets, dividend-paying stocks. When you invest in dividend stocks, you're essentially buying a share of a company's profits. Many established companies distribute a portion of their earnings to shareholders regularly. While most dividends are paid quarterly, smart investors build a diversified portfolio in a way that creates monthly cash flow. By spreading your investments across different sectors and companies with staggered payout schedules, you can turn quarterly payments into a consistent monthly income stream. Over time, reinvesting those dividends can significantly accelerate your wealth through compounding. Next up are real estate investment trusts, commonly known as REITs. These are powerful tools for anyone who wants to invest in real estate without the headaches of owning physical property. REITs own and manage income-producing properties like apartments, shopping centres, and office buildings. The key advantage is that they are required to distribute most of their income to investors, often resulting in regular monthly payouts. The third asset is rental real estate, a classic but still highly effective income strategy in 2026. Owning rental properties allows you to generate consistent monthly cash flow while also benefiting from long-term property appreciation. With modern property management services and online platforms, managing tenants and maintenance has become far more streamlined than it used to be. While this option requires more initial investment and effort, it offers one of the most stable and scalable income streams over time, especially if you reinvest your profits into acquiring more properties. Moving on, we have high-yield savings accounts and money market funds. These may not sound exciting, but they play an important role in any passive income strategy. In today's higher interest rate environment, these accounts can generate steady monthly interest with very low risk. They're perfect for preserving capital while still earning something on your cash. For conservative investors or those looking to balance risk, this asset class provides peace of mind along with consistent income. Now let's talk about one of the fastest growing income streams in the digital age, online businesses and digital products. This includes things like ebooks, online courses, print-on-demand stores, or automated e-commerce businesses. The real advantage here is scalability. Once the system is built, it can generate income repeatedly with minimal ongoing effort. In 2026, more people than ever are leveraging the internet to create assets that work for them 24/7. While it requires effort up front, the long-term payoff can be significant, especially if you tap into the right niche and audience. Finally, we have bonds and bond funds, often considered the backbone of a stable income portfolio. Bonds allow you to lend money to governments or corporations in exchange for regular interest payments. Bond funds take it a step further by diversifying your investment across multiple bonds, reducing risk while still providing consistent income. Many bond funds offer monthly distributions, making them a reliable source of passive cash flow, especially during volatile market conditions. The real secret to building strong passive income in 2026 is diversification. Relying on just one source of income can leave you vulnerable, but combining multiple income-generating assets creates stability and resilience. Each of these 6 assets plays a different role. Some offer growth, others provide stability, and together they form a powerful system for generating monthly income. If you're serious about building wealth, the key is to start now, even if it's small. Focus on consistency, reinvest your earnings, and think long-term. Over time, these income streams can grow into something substantial, giving you more freedom, flexibility, and control over your financial future. In the end, passive income isn't just about money. It's about creating a life where your income no longer depends on your time.